What's going on? This is your boy B, and the truth lives here. On this episode, we're going to talk about the difference between hydrating and moisturizing and which one do you need. But before we get into this topic, please subscribe, hit the notification bell so you don't miss a beat. Now, with that off the table, let's get right into it. Now, before we get too far into this topic, I'm going to clear up and define hydration, and as well as moisturizing and moisturizers. Shout out to Beard Existent. I'm about to veggie back on the topic and go a little bit more in depth. So hydrate is any compound containing water in the form of H2O molecules. Hydration is the process of treating with water, something that's water soluble, like our My Hydration, which is our leave-in beard conditioner. That hydration, hydrate are scientific back terms. Moisturizer are marketing terms that was created in the late 1950s and the early 1960s. And the whole idea behind that was to sell creams, lotions, oils, gels, and products alike. So moisturizing and moisturizer means to lubricate. It also means to trap and seal in the moisture and acts as a protective barrier layer. Now that we got those two terms defined, let's get into the type of moisturizers that there are, because there are several different types. Number one, emollients. Now we are all familiar with emollients. These are plant-based oils. You're talking about coconut oil, talking about extra virgin olive oil, apricot oil. The list goes on and on and on, the different types of plant-based oils. You also have cocoa butter, you also have shea butter, you also have fatty alcohols, and as well as you have fatty acids that serve as emollients. Now, you have humectants, right? Humectants are like honey, glycerin, and what they do is they pull moisture from the air, and also they pull moisture deep from the basement of your skin up to the surface of your skin. And then you have occlusives. Occlusives are like beeswax, mineral oil, silicone, and these gives you an extra layer of protection. So this is what I recommend when you're using our beard balm, right? Because that's going to lock the moisture in and really give you a nice protective layer. So that way, in the wintertime, in the summertime, all the time, you will make sure that your beard is protected from the damage. All right. So which one do you need? You need the hydrator. You need the moisture, right? And then you need to lock and seal in the moisture so they can work in tandem. There is no right or wrong answer. However, there is a proper way to do it. You want to add the hydration first, then you want to add the moisturizer, okay? Because you want to lock and seal in the hydration. That's how it works, not the other way around, okay? So I hope that brought some clarity to the difference between a moisturizing, right? And hydration, such as our My Hydration, okay? I hope there's some clarity. Make sure you guys subscribe. Make sure guys hit the notification bell so you don't miss a beat. And also give me some thumbs up and leave your comments. This is your boy B, the beard and hair science guy. And I see you guys on the next episode. As always, I'm out.